Zhuhai Lancelot Technology Company Limited, committed to the development, production, and sales of digital printing equipment and related supporting materials. The company has always instilled the business philosophy of honest management on the basis of customers. Industry all over the world, after years of industry development, continuous optimization and improvement of product quality, and finally create a professional technical team. With excellent quality and excellent service, we provide a variety of personalized digital printing solutions for the world. Our main products are DTF printers, UV flatbed machines, Eco-solvent printers, Sublimation printers, inks, films, and other consumables. The quality of the products is renowned at home and abroad. We have a professional service team, marketing team, research and development team, sales team, production team, and after-sales team. Established a perfect supply relationship with customers in various regions. In order to support customers' work and daily use, we provide 24-hour service and free remote service, telephone support, and provide free sample delivery service. Since its establishment, Lancelot has been committed to introducing new competitive products to create more new markets. If you want to benefit from our strong production capacity and comprehensive service, please feel free to contact us. We sincerely hope to create victories with all customers and share our success secrets. At the same time, Lancelot is looking for agents all over the world. If you are interested, welcome to join us. Lancelot is your best choice.